Hello everyone. Today we will read a book, Nature Trail, Peppa Pig. Okay, Peppa Pig, Nature Trail. Peppa and her family are going on a nature trail. Mommy Pig asks Daddy Pig not to forget the picnic. Is it as if I would, laughs Daddy Pig. They head off along the trail with their map. Oh dear, Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. Mommy and Daddy Pig asks Peppa if she can see anything interesting in the forest. I don't see anything but boring trees, says Peppa. Then she looks really hard and finds some footprints on the ground. Let's follow the footprints and see who made them, says Mommy Pig. We will have to be very quiet so we don't scare anything away. Shh! Papa and George follow the footprints along the ground. It looks like they were made by a little bird, says Mommy Pig. Soon they come to the end of the footprints. The bird has flown up into that tree, smiles Daddy Pig. Where? Asks Peppa Pig. Daddy Pig gives Peppa binoculars to help her see the bird. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Here are the birds, right? The binoculars make everything look bigger. Peppa can see 1, 2, 3 baby birds. They were eating worms, says Peppa Pig. That's disgusting. George finds some more footprints. They are very little. Daddy Pig says they belong to ants collecting leaves to eat. Munch, munch, munch. I think it's time for a lunch, says Mommy Pig, but Daddy Pig has left the picnic in the car. My map is wrong, begins Daddy Pig. We will have to follow our own footprints back to the car, says Daddy Pig. Suddenly, it starts to rain. It washes everyone's footprints away. How are we going to find the car now? Asks Mommy Pig. Quack, quack, quack. Here's the ducks, right? Ducks love picnics, says Peppa. Mrs. Dog, can you help us to find our picnic, please? The ducks lead Peppa and her family back to their car. We are here. Thank you for your help, Mrs. Dog, cries Peppa. I love picnics, loves Daddy Pig. The ducks love picnics too. Quack, quack, quack. So do the birds. And so do the ants. Munch, munch, munch. Everybody loves picnic, cries Peppa. Okay, thank you for your watching. We have finished. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye.